Annyeonghaseyo, K-Flash fam. Waving hand. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through K-pop lyrics, wishing you could read them yourself, or watching a K-drama and craving to understand every nuance without waiting for subtitles? Well, get ready to turn that dream into reality. Today, we're going to master Hangul, the Korean alphabet, and learn 9 essential phrases, all in just 30 minutes, K-pop fan edition. Let's kick things off with the absolute basics. These are the phrases you'll use every single day, whether you're greeting a new friend or politely asking for help. Mastering these will give you the confidence to start your Korean journey. Hello/how are you? A universal, polite greeting used when meeting anyone, especially strangers or elders.
안녕하세요.
Now you try. Formal.
안녕하세요.
Casual.
안녕, 언녕. 안녕하세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 네, 안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The H in is often very soft, almost silent in rapid speech, but when spoken clearly, it's an aspirated H sound. Breathe out like fogging a mirror. They would reply,
네, 안녕하세요.
In K-drama, crash landing on US 1E1 at 0:30, Ri Jong-hyuk greets Yoon Se-ri formally upon their unexpected first meeting. Thank you. Expressing formal gratitude to service staff, elders, or anyone you want to show high respect to.
감사합니다.
Now you try. Formal.
감사합니다.
Casual.
고마워요, 고마워요. 감사합니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
도와주셔서 감사합니다. 천만에요. 다음에 또 만나요.
Watch your pronunciation. The B/P in changes to an M sound when followed by an I, so it sounds like gamma-se hamanida, not gamma-se habanida. They would reply,
천만에요.
In K-drama, reply 1988 S1E5 at 23:15, Dukson's neighbor thanks her mother for a favor, showing deep respect. Nice to meet you. A very polite and formal way to say nice to meet you when introduced to someone new.
만나서 반갑습니다.
Now you try. Formal.
만나서 반갑습니다.
Casual.
만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. 네, 저도 만나서 반갑습니다. 잘 부탁드립니다.
Watch your pronunciation, similar to the B/P, in changes to an M sound when followed by sup in this context, making it bangapaseumnida. They would reply,
네, 저도 만나서 반갑습니다.
In K-drama, startup S1E1 at 1:05, Seo Dalmi formally introduces herself to Han Ji-pyong at a professional event. Now that you can greet and thank, let's dive into phrases perfect for expressing yourself as a fan and navigating Korea's incredible food scene, because what's a K-culture trip without delicious food? I like group/actor. To express your liking for a K-pop group, K-drama actor, or anything else in a polite, standard way.
그룹 배우 좋아요.
Now you try. Formal.
그룹 배우 좋아요.
casual,
그룹 배우 좋아, 조에이. 그룹 배우 좋아요.
fill in the blanks. The answer is slash. In conversation,
저는 BTS 좋아요. 아, 진짜요. 저도 BTS 좋아요. 최고예요.
watch your pronunciation. The J in is a soft J sound, similar to the J in Jeep, not a harsh CH sound. The is often silent, making it sound more like Joeo. They would reply,
아, 진짜요. 저도 그룹 배우 좋아요.
in K-drama, 2521S1E7 at 34:20, Nahidu talks about liking a specific manga artist, showing her passionate interest. It's delicious. A polite way to say food is delicious, suitable for restaurants, cafes, or when eating with friends.
맛있어요.
Now you try. Formal,
맛있어요.
casual,
맛있어, 맛이시오. 맛있어요.
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
이 비빔밥 진짜 맛있어요. 다행이다. 더 드세요. 네, 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The SS in is a tense, sharp SS sound, like the SS in hiss, not a soft S like in sit. Make sure to tense your tongue. They would reply,
더 드세요.
in K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju S1E4 at 1500 hours, Kim Bok-ju devours a meal and exclaims, with her characteristic gusto, please give me / I'll have. Used to politely ask for an item, like ordering food, drinks, or asking for a menu.
주세요.
Now you try. Formal,
주세요.
casual,
줘. 주세요.
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
아메리카노 주세요. 네, 여기 있습니다. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The J in is a soft J sound, similar to the J in juice, not a hard CH. Make sure it's voiced. They would reply,
네, 여기 있습니다.
in K-drama, Goblin S1E2 at 28:00, Ji-eun Tak asks for a specific item at a convenience store, demonstrating a common request. You're almost fluent. Now, let's learn how to navigate like a pro. These phrases will help you get attention, ask for directions, and even find out prices, perfect for exploring Seoul or any Korean city. Excuse me / over here. Used to politely get the attention of a waiter, shop assistant, or someone you need to speak to.
저기요.
Now you try. Formal,
저기요.
casual,
야. Warning, this is very rude and should not be used. 저기요.
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
저기요. 네. 물 좀 주세요.
Watch your pronunciation. The J in is a soft J sound, and the G in is also a soft G sound, not a hard K. They would reply,
네.
in K-drama, What's wrong with Secretary Kim S1E5 at 1 hour and 10 minutes? Someone politely calls a waiter over in a busy restaurant scene. Where is place? Politely asking for directions to a specific location like a station, restroom, or a K-pop store.
장소 거디예요?
Now you try. Formal.
장소 거디예요?
Casual.
장소 거디야? 장소 god야? 장소 거디예요?
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
화장실 어디예요? 저쪽이에요. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The D in is a soft D sound, similar to the D in ladder, not a hard T or TH. They would reply,
저쪽이에요.
in K-drama, Descendants of the Sun S1E3 at 45:00, UC Jean asks for the location of a specific medical facility. How much is it? Politely asking for the price of an item in a store, market, or cafe.
얼마예요?
Now you try. Formal.
얼마예요?
Casual.
얼마야? 이올마야? 얼마예요?
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
이 티셔츠 얼마예요? 2만 원이에요. 네, 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The R/L in sounds more like an L when it's at the end of a syllable and followed by a vowel, similar to the L in all. They would reply,
가격 원이에요?
in K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju S1E2 at 2300 hours, Kim Bok-ju asks for the price of an item in a convenience store before purchasing it. Quick quiz. How do you politely ask for something, like water please? The answer is, mulJUSEO. Here's everything you learned today. Wow, you just learned 9 essential Korean phrases and unlocked the secrets of Hangul. You're officially on your way to reading K-pop lyrics and understanding K-dramas like a pro. Don't forget to practice, practice, practice. If you love this lesson, hit that like button, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more engaging Korean lessons, and tell us in the comments which K-pop group you'll be reading about first. See you next time.